Hi, my name is Brooke and I'm a keeper here at Taronga Western Plains Zoo. Today I'm looking after our Scimitar-horned Oryx bachelor group. So many of you may not know much about Scimitar-horned Oryx, so today I'm going to tell you a couple of small facts that I find really interesting about them. So this species is actually one of 4 oryx species found throughout Africa. This species is found specifically through northern Africa in a lot of desert areas. Unfortunately, this species is not doing so great in the wild. They actually went extinct in the wild in the late 1800s. Much of that was to do with poaching for their beautiful horns. So if you look at their horns, they're a beautiful curved shape, very much like a scimitar sword, which is how the Scimitar-horned Oryx got its name, because every other oryx species has straight horns. These horns grow up to 1 metre in length, and they were prized as a trophy, leading to their extinction. Thankfully, zoos have had fantastic successes with breeding this species. Here at Taronga, we've actually had huge successes ourselves, and in this bachelor group you'll actually see 17 of our calves that have been born here with their father, who's one of the 18 in this group. Thankfully, because of the successes in zoos, we do actually have a small release program that's happening in the country of Chad, and there has now been 100 oryx calves born in the wild. So hopefully one day we can change the classification of the species from extinct in the wild to critically endangered, and hopefully we can get rid of that altogether. So living in northern Africa, these guys do have a couple of really special adaptations which I find absolutely amazing. So they have to survive in really hot, really dry areas with not a lot of water available for much of the year. And these guys can actually go up to 10 months without a drop of water to drink. They get most of their hydration from the plants they eat, and they have a few adaptations that allow them to retain water. They have really specialised kidneys, which actually reduce the water content in their urine, and it's really, really highly concentrated. And another really cool adaptation is, unlike us, they don't really sweat to cool down. They actually raise their internal body temperature so they don't sweat and don't lose water. They can raise their internal body temperature to up to 47 degrees. So living here in Dubbo, they're absolutely fine with our hot, dry summers. So I hope today you've learnt something about one of the lesser known antelope species, and we hope to see you coming and checking out our bachelor group.